show you the reason. You like it, money. I make it in every season. Baby, follow me, go. You're all I need. It's not something you need. I'm Mr. Giving you all you need. We are sorry, Sisi Shalewa. Sorry, Openiwa. Sorry, Owolewa. Baby, go down, money, go. Sorry, Sisi Shalewa. Sorry, Openiwa. Sorry, Owolewa. Baby, go down, money, go. Baby, hello.
Hey!
No, you today. Easy, you're very wicked. Hey!
No,
see,
because I've got a new dog. Hey! You want me to do like this?
I still won't enter.
Don't mind that this guy is evil now. Now when I begin give them.
That's what I just enter the spirit. Then easy, you get a very black hat.
Oh my God.
Otherwise, you know, could do what you just do.
And because of Nedu.
Okay, Nedu, they enjoyed it.
You know the ginger.
Nedu, which kind? No, we could suppose give that your dance name. No, we suppose. Okay, may we ask them outside.
Una wait there. This my wonderful step.
Get up, show them again how you did one. How we want? Which kind name we want? How we want title this dance now?
Just give a name. Just send us on top Twitter. Or when you call for phone, give the name. If your own name na sweet pass, yeah, we don't take on the name with that. You know, you get it.
So
yeah, you know.
You for your own, what will be the name?
That first name you call.
No, we don't call that name outside.
We never call that name.
I not agree.
No. We are born again Christian.
No,
Yeah.
that name na NTBB.
Okay.
Can't go NTBB.
NTBB. Do the mathematics. It is inside there.
Anyway, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today. Will be the 3rd of February 2015.
Marshall, Nedu ontop progress. We are moving the ministry forward.
March!
Yes!
March!
We have said 100 times.
March times 100. I don't think I'll that.
Maybe you could feel it, Sam.
Today, na the 3rd of March 2015, moon and office. My name is Nedu Katim, looking beautiful as usual. And easy beat. Easy beat, wear cloth, wear ramp today. Then take light for your house, you know, iron cloth. Now me no say the cloth ramp.
No, easy beat been day motto now, you safe. Why you could look easy beat, things say, easy beat well like it say, when the relationships, here the thief. And answer to the look at. No, not be so. What's that they miss on top easy beat cloth today now in classes? Today, you know where the cold one?
You know where cap?
You know where,
You know, you know. This guy now rubber. You be thief.
Now your look don't come.
Yeah, now like that. Don't come out the glass like that today. Don't come out that today. Anyway, when I welcome on time, I hope say you go see what he scratch.
I go see.
That guy where he scratch, when I see the scratching, I said yesterday.
Anyway, Sam saying they do that you are dance. I could dance and for party. Everybody come follow me. I go dance and for party. Everybody come follow me. Dance.
Yes, that is how we roll, like egg roll. Give us the name of that song, of the dance. Who know if your name na sweet pass? I choose. Oh yeah, that is how we roll. Like what?
Egg rolls.
That is how we roll. Like what?
Egg rolls and buns.
Peace. Hashtag. That is how we roll.
Like egg roll.
Anyway, today on Top Night Show, plenty things here on Top Night Show for today. You get matter when episode we'll discuss for Night Show for today. But before we enter that matter proper, we'll go still start them. Meanwhile, we'll go see the discuss to people when they say this studio with us today. They are now you know so we get artists, can't get artists.
And you know say yesterday we talk about talent and hard work.
Hard work.
So we go follow. We
go know whether
today,
this one's not talent then get. I mean a hard work then get. those ones with their own be hard work. Now artists then be. Then the one will be talent. Then be artists. Then they be. For example, person like Timaya, he get talent. Now artist.
Okay.
Person like Whiskey, he get talent. Now artist. Person like Danfo driver, artist. Person like Idris Abdul Karim, artist. So Idris na play, not make me for road finger my eye, you na play.
Well, so who could come be artist?
Artists now be those ones who have been like Two-Face now artists.
Oh.
Those ones who get the talent. Now be artists.
Okay.
The ones where they struggle,
Now
where
artists.
they work hard. The ones where don't come work hard.
They come blow.
Now later they come blow. They come become artists.
Artists.
Uh-huh.
So people when come be artists, na like blackface.
No, blackface, that one are artists.
Artists.
Artists. Then
No, we just they use you.
No,
blackface.
we
just
just
they
dey
use as a
check.
sample.
Which way again? Pato rankings are artists. Scales.
No scales, I don't. Artists.
We'll think about it. Whether you are going to be an artist or artist, we are not sure yet. Then these people where come show today, their name na ES Plus.
Yeah.
Who be E? Who be S? I
be
don't
plus?
know. Who be plus? I don't know. Maybe their original chairman tell they say I like Style Plus.
So may yours be plus.
Maybe one name na Emeka.
The other one na Silvanus.
Silvanus.
So you know Emeka and Silvanus plus.
Anyway,
Johnson on top Twitter saying the name of that your dance now wait dance.
Wait. Hey, maybe most if not what maybe artists go say, let us do the what Jesus.
No, we could bring the second in command for this your dance. Una could dance them together. You
No,
know what they talk
Mona
about.
see they bring name. We go choose the name of the dance. But anyway, we will get ES Plus for inside studio. Now music artists then be they are
They go talk the kind song when they sing. These days song don't change now. Easy itself as the year could not confuse.
But apart from that one, the topic we will talk about today. Before I talk about the topic, it get what happened last week. For this Lagos where we did. Those of us who know the Lagos, we can hear this matter. Una go say na every party in Lagos, you know, na everywhere it is.
Mention the place, especially inside.
For inside Ajeromi, if I do local government area.
Okay.
For Lagos. Precisely Ajegule.
Bam.
Now, one man in name na Alex. No. If na Lekki, na it go be Alex. But if na Ajegule, na Alex. Alex now with a 15 years old daughter. 15 years
Una
old
know
daughter.
how 15 years old pikin be.
15 years old girl, then they house together. Not be in the mama of the girl name na Agnes. No, because
Agnes.
of Ajegula. Age.
Oh, Agnes.
If na Lekki, call him Agnes. If na VI, Agnes. But if na Osho the area, Agnes. But since na Ajegule, Age.
Okay.
So mama of Age now don't come go market. He can't leave Alice and Age for house.
Papa and the
And daughter. Not be in the papa can call the girl. Say, come here. The way I'm looking at you. Somebody have insert SIM card in your phone. Then the girl say, I don't understand, daddy. Somebody have leaked yours too. Daddy, I don't understand. Somebody have opened your gate. Daddy, I don't understand. Now the man say, oh yeah, pull your cloth. Now the girl pull cloth. Oh yeah, pull your skirt.
Papa now.
Pull your skirt. The girl pull skirt. Oh yeah, lie down. Me pull. And so the girl lie down. The man come out machine gun. One put for inside the girl website. Now the girl begin shout, hey, Jesus, oh, Holy Ghost fire, save me.
And he excuse come
And
say.
he lock house. So. Not be in neighbor come match door, come open them. When they open and they see the man don't naked. He machine gun don't stand attention like our Nigerian army. Make it for enter there now when the girl begin shout. They can't hold the man. Now so they shout, drag the man go police station. When there is police station, my people ask me what in this man talk.
As saying excuse. Now what are they way? You don't fit even imagine.
Then come they ask the man, what did make you do this into your own daughter when you born? The man say,
they don't tell them.
Hey, he want check whether she still be virgin or not. Like, are you alright? Okay, when the man want put a machine gun, where it is a machine gun, na XSL, the girl na this thing.
XS.
I know go the girl na S. The man can't put in finger inside your own daughter. I beg. All of una wey dey there we get daughters. Make una dey be careful.
All the mama when you know say you born girl pikin.
I beg.
Open your eye.
Open your eye.
Make it reach now. So
Make it reach your back.
Eye. Open them.
Wait. Shagwa is the way ga apolo eye. No be na God know why you on that eye.
Open your eye very well.
Now I make Orisha me say Apollo eye is not an open eye.
So open your own like
Be
this.
careful. Because Ugo hear story say man sleep with 2 years old daughter. What thing they happen
No,
these days?
small time they go say na devil.
They go say na devil.
No be me cause I'm na
And this
devil.
man now, I didn't be the man saying a devil. On this now last week this thing happened. I for talk because now last week I think either Wednesday or Thursday.
No,
Because I know where devil did that time. Devil there for Ukraine. I know. Devil there Ukraine that time.
What thing they do? What thing tell you saying they do for Ukraine?
Rappi fed and motor by motor one them. But anyway, mamas them, but could I be careful for who and they live on our children with. Make matter for no come out from
no
my
leave
hand.
picking for even their papa.
Even their papa.
Because it's there.
No, yes.
Easy.
Their papa, my brother.
Easy.
Not be say it make it not live.
These are end times.
Yes, but Katim not be say make it not live by me for their papa. Because not be everybody.
It don't make sense.
It don't make sense. Because okay, if you don't leave your pikin for your papa,
So
who you want
wait,
live for?
this man, Sebi, na the mama call market. He say make I leave Pekin with him daddy. The woman no even think now say this kind of thing go happen. In this kind of situation, what do you want make him talk? And the man confidently told him for police station. He say he want taste infidelity. Imagine.
So wait now, if you can't test them, the girl not be virgin, what you go do?
You can't beat him.
You come beat them after you don't wipe.
Continue to taste them now. That's the problem. And the Pekin go tell the mama no continue.
Hey! Oh, maybe. Anyway, we could leave that one aside. What we will discuss today for on top of our topic, no matter when it be say one state for inside we country for you, we're not going to mention the state. Well, not be the same as the state government, Duam, na particular person, na in Duam, and na Igbo person be this person. Then one gives scholarship to some people. Then they say, okay, then give them 2 options for that scholarship. And each scholarship, they worth 15 million naira. From secondary school, and you don't the person, everybody where they want to give the scholarship don't finish secondary school.
You must to finish
You
secondary
must, of
school
course.
now.
They don't like 15. No, they're not reach 15, Sha. They're like 15, like either 12, between 12 and 15, and then be. Sir, all of them now, they say they go give them scholarship to carry them go university, then finish for university. But the scholarship now 15 million naira, now it could be scholarship.
What?
Now be the worth of the scholarship. And they give them 2 options. Instead of say you take the scholarship, go university, come out, then you're on your own. Or then go give you the 15 million naira. Make you use them. Take do business. If not you,
which one you go
which one you go choose?
Yusuf Fadila say, I could call the scholarship because with education, what millions they come and enough change could still remain when you fit take start business.
Anyway, and the people who get from side studio today.
Don't vex, so you see that man, a very stupid man. He's supposed to go jail. It's okay,
my
my
dear,
brother,
calm
no be
down.
quarrel.
Now, the man, they police down. Anyway, the artists when we say we carry enter studio today, ES Plus, make we watch their video. When we come back, then go down sit down, and then we'll continue for the night show for today. When they come
Then
back,
we go know whether not talent or hard work.
or whether not artist or artist.
Artist.